This is an early unboxing of the iQOO Neo 11, which is officially set to launch on October 30th. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Right after opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the phone itself in this bold orange finish. Underneath, there's a black silicone case, the user manual, a USB data cable, a power adapter, and the SIM ejector tool. Brand new iQOO Neo 11. Even though it continues to target budget-minded gamers and style-focused users, this time it brings major upgrades in both build quality and visual appeal. The Neo lineup has always had a strong personality. The Neo 9 stood out with its nostalgic dual-tone red and white design inspired by classic NES consoles and childhood gaming memories. The Neo 10 Pro introduced a super pixel look featuring 312 blue ice pixels and 24 gradient colors to deliver a futuristic 8-bit vibe. Now, the Neo 11 takes the pixel art concept even further with 78 orange pixel blocks scattered across the back, paying deeper tribute to the iconic 8-bit gaming culture. This blend of retro gaming roots and modern style gives the phone a look that's instantly recognizable. The camera setup also follows the traditional Chinese Tianyuan design concept, making the two camera lenses appear as though they're floating like celestial bodies. Surrounding them are 18 aluminum alloy ridges that add more depth and refinement to the look. Along the sides, the matte metal frame is made from aluminum alloy and gets a spray oxidized finish for a secure, comfortable grip. It's resistant to slips, fingerprints, and even helps improve durability if the phone is dropped. The back panel uses rock-hard glass, a super durable material that stands strong against high-impact drops and scratches from everyday objects like keys. It also features a fine cross-section texture that reflects light beautifully. As you tilt the phone, the shifting light creates a dynamic, playful pixel effect that enhances its premium feel. On the performance side, the iQOO Neo 11 packs a flagship-level processor, a stunning 2K 144Hz Q10 Plus display, IP68 and IP69 water and dust protection, and a huge 7,500 mAh battery. I'll be diving into all those features in detail once the phone officially launches. That's it for today's unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.